Hello and welcome to the preview for the Bank of England's August quarterly inflation report. In terms of analyst expectations, the primary focus will be on the estimate of the excess slack in the UK economy, which back in May was forecast at between 1.0 and 1.5%. To reflect the recent strong data over the past 3 months, this is expected to be reined in to between 0.75 and 1.25%, still indicating some divergence among the MPC in regards to these estimates though. In terms of the primary components of this, it's likely the BoE will highlight very poor wage growth and lacklustre productivity in the UK economy in the recent recovery as justification for why the bank rate does still remain close or even on its historic lows. In terms of the market reaction, it's more than likely to focus on any comments regarding this, as the BoE could potentially keep their estimate of slack unchanged, citing the continued poor wage growth, which, as per the most recent reading, showed its slowest level of growth on record. Now, if this is the case, we could see markets pushing back their expectations for a Bank of England rate hike, which is currently priced in as per the short sterling strip in the early months of 2015. Nonetheless, if the Bank of England do hike their GDP and inflation projections by a significant margin, this could actually prompt markets to rush in their bets for sooner than expected BoE tightening, resulting in positive moves for the sterling currency, with the year-to-date highs in cable at just below the 172 mark. Nonetheless, though, the GDP and inflation projections are expected to be little changed, as Bank of England Governor Carney could suggest that the current higher than expected growth levels are expected to peter out in the near future as the sterling strength does continue to weigh on UK export competitiveness. In terms of the release of the report itself, it's due at 10:30 London time on Wednesday and will be followed by a press conference out of the Bank of England Governor Carney and some of the select members of the MPC, where they are likely to justify just how they have presented the latest quarterly inflation report. So of course we'll bring you all those releases as soon as they hit the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a fantastic day.